Hello all, this is Mashiya Afroze, Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of fundamental of coding. So the most popular programming language used in coding is Python. So Python programming language is created by Giordano von Rossum in 1991. The latest version of Python is Python 3. So why we use Python? So Python is used for creating a web development, then for creating a software, then we use for system scripting, and we use for complex mathematical solution. Why only Python? So Python is used in the server for developing a web page for installing on the web page. Next, we use software in system for developing various software for a workflow of a job. Then database can be connected using Python, where I can able to connect all the data and a program can be written to retrieve the data and everything. Next is what? Analysis of big data also can be done using Python. Why only Python? So Python is very user friendly. Minimum of syntax is used. Then the number of line what we use in programming language, Python programming language are less. It is easy to execute, and what we have different database can be implemented in the programming language. Now Python works in two mode. One is in interactive mode and other one is in script mode. So interactive mode is what? Where we can type the command and immediately the output is visible to the user. Script mode is what? The program has to be written. The entire program has to be written and the program has to be saved with the extension of .py. Then the program has to be executed. Now Python is very user friendly, as I said. It should have some interpreter in between which is going to convert the high level language to the lower level language. So first we should know what is high level language. High level language is a language which the user write, which we write. So there are many high level languages are there, like one of that is Python. So like Java, C, C++, everything a high level language. Now next is what? The low level language. Low level language is what? Which the computer can understand, but human cannot understand because it is written in zeros and ones. So it is very highly difficult for a human to write a program in zeros and ones. So there should be some intermediate here which converts the high level language to low level language. So that intermediate which converts the high to low is what? Interpreter and the compiler. So interpreter is what? Which converts the high level language to low level language line by line. As I type the line will be converted to machine language. But compiler is what? The entire program has to be written, then it is going to be converted to machine language. Then the execution will occur and we will get the output. So these are the definition for the interpreter and the compiler. Then as I said earlier, Python works in two modes. One is script mode and one is interactive mode. Script mode is what? As soon as I type the program, I will get the output. So single line can be typed. When I press enter, the output will be visible. So that is what? Interactive mode. Script mode is what? The entire program I have to type and then I have to save with the extension .py. Py extension is for Python. So the program has to be saved in .extension type py, then it has to be executed. Once we execute, the output is visible to the user. So this is what your interactive mode. So Python work in interactive mode, not in the script mode. Next is what are the basic things of Python? So normal basic thing in all the program language, we should know about the data. Data are what? The information given to the computer to process the value, process the program. So data can be of different type, any type. For example, the data is what? The name is a data, age is a data, then the phone number is a data. So each data will be stored in some variable, and variable we have to define what type of data the variable holds. So likewise in Python we have different data type like integer, float and string. Integer is what? Which holds only the number. Float with what? Which holds a number with decimal point, and decimal is what? Which holds the alphabets within double quotes. Then with the data type we can able to do various operation. So in Python we have different operators like arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator and conditional operator. So arithmetic operator are what? Which is used for performing the normal addition, subtraction, all those things. So here we have addition, subtraction, for division division slash asterisk for multiplication. Then for power double asterisk is there. Same way logical operator which is used for comparing two relational operators. Relational operators are which is used to compare whether to make the comparison between two data, whether it is less than or equal to or greater than, all those things. So, these are relational operator, logical operator. Then finally, we have one conditional operator. In conditional operator where we check the condition whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is satisfied, it return true, otherwise it return false. So, these are the various data operation in Python. Likewise, we have various data expression, arithmetic expression, relation expression and logical expression. So, arithmetic expression, for example, a plus b is an arithmetic expression which add both the thing and give the answer a plus b. Same way a slash b, it will perform division. Same way in relation expression, I can have if a greater than b perform some value. So, this can be included in control statements. Then two relation operators can be combined with logical operator. For example, like two relation operators can be combined using the logical operator. For example, if a greater than b and a is greater than c, then print a is greater. So, this is the use of logical operator to combine two relation operators. Then finally, we have conditional operator. We check for the condition, single condition can be checked and it will return either true or false. So, this is the concept which we have discussed today. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.